Hello YouTubers, welcome to Techmadness. I'm your host KB, and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 must-have applications. With no further ado, let's do this. And by the way, if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and if you are already subscribed, welcome back. In this list, I think it's the best recommended for you because I've tried out various number of applications and I've felt that these are the best applications that everyone has to have in their mobile phone. T2S, text to speech. Let's say someone sends you a long paragraph, or there's just a wrong text that you want to read but you are bored and tired. This application comes in because you have to copy and paste, then it reads the text out loud for you. I think it's a hack for us lazy bugs. TubeMate. This application is so dope that I couldn't find it on Play Store. Actually, on the list, it's the only application you won't find on Play Store, but you can download it using these other browsers. Just search for TubeMate. It's the best video editing application, and it makes it easy for me to download. Search for your video, then click on the downloading arrow, in the left bottom corner, and you would have to choose the size file of your video and you're good to go. How cool is that? When it comes to photos, Picsart is the best photo editing software. Literally, it's so photogenic. You just can't resist glancing through your awesome face. This application is for you. It does a great job in terms of editing photos, and all of you guys should download it. I promise you won't regret. That's why it's amongst the top 5 must-have applications. And just imagine, I edited this photo using the same application, Picsart. Kinemaster, an awesome app for video editing. It has a lot of features compared to some of the editing applications on Android phones. You should check it out, and it's free on Play Store. Applocker, my personal favorite application. This application, what it does, it protects your private content, which might be photos or videos. And the cool part is that it also locks some various applications, and that's a lot of cool things. But best of all is that you can even hide the application itself by clicking on protect, then scrolling down to magic, then turning the option on. And what you do if you want to get the application and hidden, you would have to dial, which is you have to dial hash 123.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.